Hey friends, good morning and welcome back to the homestead. I'm Allie. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're coming back, welcome back. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because we've got a lot of fun stuff planned. I know I say that all the time, but there's always something new to do here on the homestead, right? That's what having a large garden and animals that produce food for you is all about. There's always something going on. But today we are actually going to be pulling the corn and freezing it. So I thought I would take you along. And when I say we, I mean me. My mom is coming to help me. Andy's working today because it is Friday, sorry, it's not August yet, July 30th, 29th. And so I'll be doing that today. Tomorrow I'll probably be doing the carrots because some of the tops have started going to seed, so we need to do that. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. And if you notice how hazy it is, there's the sun. Like, that's the sun. We're actually in red status for air quality today, but the garden waits for no one. I know I could wait a day on the corn, but if I wait a day on the corn, I have to wait like 2 days on carrots, and got some big changes happening next week for our family. But yeah, the garden waits for no one and doesn't wait for the weather. So anyway, let's go get some stuff together and we're gonna start pulling some corn. And I just thought of this, I should probably add, it's actually not very hot and humid. It hasn't been for the last couple of days. It's actually been in the mid 70s, which has been great. And you might, because you might be wondering why I have a long sleeve shirt or sweater on. So if you grow a garden, or if you have any vegetables, you would probably know, you'll know this, but as far as like green beans, cucumbers, zucchini, summer squash, just a little airplane, and corn go, they will cause issues on your skin. Not everybody, but for me, yesterday I actually kind of broke out in hives on my arms and upper body when I had my tank top on, just from being in the green beans. I can eat green beans fine. I don't have any reaction, but for some reason the plants just don't make my skin happy. Same goes for the corn, cucumbers, and zucchini. So let's get these supplies. Okay, well, my mom is here now, so let's pick some corn. First, I'm just gonna explain to you what to look for when you're harvesting corn. And we're only going to be doing these first two rows here today. This one and that one. They are the native gem. So they'll be ready first, and we've actually eaten some of the sweet corn off of them. And the other two are bodacious, and they're not quite ready yet. But let's see. Coming at you from the corn. When you are looking at your corn, you want to kind of just pull the first little bit back if you can, and make sure that the top is completely filled out, and then it feels like a solid ear. So you see that, how it's filled out to the top with mature kernels? That's what you're looking for. So we're gonna go ahead and go through and harvest some of this corn, throw it in the clamshell, and then we'll get to cutting and freezing. We've got 12 quart-sized bags that have 3 cups of corn with some salt water that it's called cold packing. So now I'm gonna go put it in the freezer, make sure they're all flat like this, and we're good. Thanks for coming along as we harvested some of the corn. There's a lot of corn left out there, probably 3 or 4 times this amount, wouldn't you say, Mom? Yeah, and yeah, I'm just excited to have corn in the freezer again this year. But thanks for following along, and we'll see you in the next one, which will probably be carrots. Bye, guys.